Welcome to the next module in the elicitation and analysis domain. In this video, we focus on a crucial activity that directly impacts the quality of information gathered, preparing for elicitation. This module forms part of Module 5, the elicitation and analysis domain, and it builds directly on the concepts introduced in Module 5.2. If you haven't watched the previous module yet, I encourage you to do so to understand how preparation supports the overall elicitation approach and the broader PMI-PBA journey. In this module, we'll explore how to review existing information, define clear objectives for each elicitation activity, and select the most appropriate techniques based on context and stakeholder needs. Effective preparation helps ensure that elicitation sessions are focused, productive, and respectful of stakeholder time.
Once the approach has been defined, the next step is preparation. Good preparation is what separates a smooth, insightful elicitation session from one that leaves everyone confused or disengaged. Preparation starts with gathering and reviewing existing information. This might include the business case, the project charter, past requirement documents, or even process manuals. Often, valuable insights are already hidden in these sources, and reviewing them prevents us from asking stakeholders questions that we should already know the answers to. Next, you need to define the scope and objectives of each elicitation activity. For example, is the session about clarifying a specific business rule, understanding a user journey, or exploring possible solution features? Being clear on the purpose helps you keep the conversation focused. Then comes selecting the right techniques. One-on-one interviews might be ideal for deep insights. Workshops can surface cross-functional perspectives. Surveys allow you to gather broad feedback quickly, and observation lets you see real work in action. Sometimes, you'll also prepare visual aids like prototypes or process diagrams to prompt discussion. Logistics are just as important. Scheduling sessions at a convenient time, ensuring the right tools or platforms are in place, and confirming stakeholder readiness all contribute to a productive outcome. I've seen projects where a lack of preparation, for example, inviting stakeholders without explaining the purpose of the meeting, led to frustration and disengagement that was hard to recover from. Ultimately, preparation is about respect. Respecting stakeholders' time and ensuring that when they come to the table, the session is structured, purposeful, and set up for success. With preparation complete, the real engagement begins, conducting the elicitation sessions themselves. Let's explore how to make those conversations effective.